Hi students, this is Yashpal Gupta. In this video, we shall see how to set up an environment in the Oracle Live and run a query. First step is to create an account in livesql.oracle.com. Once logging into the Oracle Live, you will be able to get the worksheet where we can type our SQL statements and run the queries. Once we are ready with the SQL worksheets, we can start creating the tables. You can see now how the publisher table is been created by pasting the content into the worksheet space and clicking on the run button. Now you should observe in the SQL statement output section below for the status of an execution. If the query is been executed successfully, you must get as in table created since we are creating the table, or else you may be getting an error which you have to look into. Create all the necessary tables in the same fashion. Once the tables are been created, now we can go after for inserting the data. Insert the data into the tables which we have created by pasting the insert statements into the space of worksheet and clicking on the run button. You can paste multiple insert statements at a single time, but make sure the execution is successful by referring to SQL statement output section. If your insert statements are valid and values are inserted into the table, then you will get an output as one row or rows inserted, or else you may get an error. More commonly, you may get an integrity constraint errors. It is because the order of inserting data is not same as the order of creation of table. So, students, make a note. Order of inserting the data must match with the order of table creations. That is, if you have created the publisher first, you have to insert the data for the publisher. Once all the values are inserted, you can display or fetch all the contents of the table by using the SQL select query. Select star from followed by the table name displays all the contents of the table. For example, select star from publisher displays all the contents of an publisher table in the SQL output section. In the similar fashion, execute all the queries one by one and note the output or resultant data. You can see all the queries are being executed one by one and following output can be studied. However, the explanation of how each queries work is out of scope of this video. You can also explore the schema in the SQL Live, where you will get the details of database objects like tables, views, etc. and also its associated properties. We shall go in depth of these properties or features as and when needed.